Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most promising yet challenging markets in Latin America, Argentina. Specifically, we will unpack the essentials for navigating the medical device registration process with ANMAT, the Argentinian regulatory authority. First, you cannot approach Argentina without a local partner. ANMAT requires every foreign manufacturer to appoint an Argentina registration holder, or ARH. This is not just a name on a form. Your ARH is legally responsible for the device in the country, manages all communication with ANMAT, and handles post-market surveillance. A common pitfall for new entrants is choosing an ARH that is merely a distributor. This can create significant issues if you later decide to change your commercial partners, as the registration is owned by the ARH, effectively trapping your market access with them. Next, let's talk about the technical dossier, known as the Legajo Técnico. All documents must be submitted to ANMAT in Spanish, and this often requires certified translations. Your existing CE mark, or FDA clearance, is a great starting point for the technical documentation, but it is not a passport for approval. ANMAT has its own specific format and data requirements. For example, a Class 3 device manufacturer recently faced a 6-month delay. They submitted their extensive clinical data in English, assuming the original studies would be accepted. ANMAT rejected the submission, requiring a full, certified translation of the clinical report summary and key data points, which had not been budgeted for. Device grouping strategy is another critical area. ANMAT allows for the registration of device families, but their definition can be stricter than in Europe or the US. Devices must have the same intended use and risk classification. A manufacturer of orthopedic implants tried to group an entire system of screws and plates of different sizes into one application. ANMAT rejected this, forcing them to split it into 3 separate, costly submissions, significantly increasing their registration costs and delaying their launch by nearly a year. Proper analysis of your product portfolio against ANMAT-specific grouping rules is essential to optimize time and cost. Finally, the review process itself requires patience and precision. Once submitted, the dossier undergoes a preliminary review. Any formal errors, like a missing signature or an incorrect form, can lead to an immediate rejection, forcing you to start over. After passing this initial check, the formal technical and clinical review begins, which can take anywhere from 12 to 24 months, depending on the device class. Proactive communication and a flawless submission are your best tools to keep the process moving. Navigating ANMAT's complexities requires deep local expertise and a meticulous approach. If you are planning your entry into Argentina or facing challenges with your existing submissions, the team at Chen-Global can help. Contact us for a consultation by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting our website at https://pureglobal.com.